Good morning, YouTube. It's Forever Me, Tori here. Today is post-op day 2. Um, just back again to give you an update how my morning is, how my night went, and my morning. Um, mm, at night, I've slept pretty well. However, I was in a lot of pain from 8 o'clock going, taking my meds. I was in a lot of pain. The medication takes about an hour or an hour and a half to really kick in and to start working. So I was moaning and groaning a lot until I fell asleep. I woke up at 1:30ish to use a restroom, and 2 o'clock was my next dose of medication. So I took the oxycodone plus a muscle relaxer and Tylenol, and went try to go back to sleep. Um, I was still groaning and moaning, and it took a while before I fell asleep. And I slept until 6, almost 6:30 this morning. That's when I woke up. When I woke up, I felt really, really good. Very comfortable. Not in any pain at all. But I felt very energized. I got out of bed. My son also got up around the same time and helped me out of bed. Went to the bathroom. Gave myself a sponge bath. I cannot shower um, until the drain and the stitches come out. So until I have a post visit with my surgeon before he gives me the go ahead to shower. So in the meantime, I have to sponge bath, and I did that. I washed my face and I brushed my teeth. You know, um, one thing I realized I did not know was how much muscle you use when you brush your teeth. So brushing my teeth, it is so painful. It strains my muscle in my stomach. Just the vigoration of going up and down and side to side. It really pulls the muscles in the stomach area. So we really use a lot of muscles that we are not aware of when we're brushing our teeth. So I washed up, washed my face, washed private area, my armpit and everything, and lotioned up as much as I could. I can't bend down, so couldn't do my legs or anything. Um, my son made me some oatmeal, so that's having oatmeal right now. And I took my medicine. Besides the oxycodone, I think the oxycodone is, I don't know, I've never taken it before until this situation. Um, the oxycodone actually really doesn't start working in terms of messing with your brain um, until about 3 or 4 days into it, because I haven't taken it since 2 o'clock last night. And right now, I am feeling, when I woke up, I was feeling energized. I felt I can take on the day, I can do anything. But now I'm feeling drowsy and groggy and tired. Um, I feel very druggy. All I've taken this morning was just the Tylenol, Docalax for constipation, and what else? Antibiotics for infection, and my vitamin D. That's all I've taken this morning. I haven't taken the oxycodone yet, and I don't plan on taking it, trying to go without it. Um, but it's still in my system and it's making me drowsy. This is why they say you cannot drive because of the oxycodone. So I am here, I'm home by myself again. My son has left the house. He's gone to school, but before going, he set everything up for me. Everything I need is by my side. I am now sitting on my couch, actually chair. It's not a recliner, but it's the best I can do with it. It's a little comfortable. I'm gonna sit here for a while and see how long I can, and probably I'll fall asleep on this chair. Um, in terms of pain right now, not in a whole lot of pain, just a little discomfort, but I'm okay. I'm gonna try and put a little eyeliner on and see what I can do. But I am very, very tired and exhausted. Um, I don't feel energized as I did when I woke up this morning, and that's because of the oxycodone. So we'll see how the rest of the day go. I'm trying to finish up my oatmeal here. Sure happens. So that's that. I haven't done anything to my drain this morning because there isn't a lot of output. So I'm gonna leave it. Let's see if I can show you. Leave it like that. I don't have a whole lot. So I'm not going to drain it until maybe a couple of hours. Yeah. So I got my makeup bag on the side here. And see if I can put on my eyebrow. What I have here is the Ultimated Brow from Wet n Wild mascara. Okay. I have a mirror over here I'm looking at. Next, I got is my eye pencil. don't know if they look even. They never look even. I can always get this the way I want it, but then this one I can't. And then I also have this where is it? It's a new product I got. Oh, I know where. In here. Almost lost the camera. Okay. This is what I'm looking for. Okay. Let's get closer here. And now this one, which I purchased on clearance a couple of weeks ago, it is called Arch Rival, and I can't make out where it's a microblade effect. It gives you a microblading effect. Not quite sure who the maker is. The scribbling signs here, I can't read that, so there we go. This is how the edge looks like. Get that arch effect. Okay, and I like to just put it like on the outline, just to make it a little bit darker and sharper. Okay, that's it. I'm not going anywhere. I just wanted to make myself up just a little bit because I was feeling kind of, you know, good. It felt like I was getting myself back. So just wanted to do that and make myself feel a little better. So I don't know. That's it. This is post-op day 2, and what time is it? Somewhere around, I don't know, probably 8 or going to 8 or something. What am I gonna do this morning? I'm probably going to fall asleep again. Like I said, the oxycodone is still in my system and making me drowsy. I think I have to give myself a Lovenox again. Have to do that for 7 days straight. I hate doing that. It's a shot that I have to put subcutaneously into my skin around my stomach area, and that makes me extra woozy. I know it did when I did it first time yesterday. So we'll see. I'm gonna go. That's just how I'm feeling today. I don't know what's gonna happen. I hope I get a little more energy later on. I want to make myself some scrambled eggs. After surgery, food to eat after surgery is protein and nuts and more protein from lean meat and nuts and yogurt and milk and cheese, all those things. So I have to try and get some into my system. Okay, that will help and speed the recovery process along. So I get some rest now and see what I can do later. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe, leave comments down below, any questions you may have. Let me know if you've had a tummy tuck or planning a tummy tuck yourself. Okay, later.